drug allergy. What do we mean by drug? Drug means medicines, alright? Medicinal allergy, medicine, or you can call it medicinal, okay? And then we have food allergy, and then we have insect allergy. And the fourth one we have latex allergy. And then we have mold allergy. And then the second last, pet allergy. And this is pollen allergy. Pollen allergy most commonly occurs in spring, alright? So please follow me. Drug allergy, drug, food, allergy, insect, latex, mold, allergy, pet, allergy, pollen allergy. Alright, now please pause the video and practice drug allergy, food allergy, insect, latex, mold, pet, pollen. Alright.